Hey everybody, want to do our final walkthrough, show you this church. This church is over 100 years old. When we got here, this floor was shot. It was very out of level. The beams had settled down and busted, just in really bad shape. Termites ate out a lot of the flooring. We ripped it down to the dirt, replaced all the floor joists, done a bunch of work on the walls, supporting them. Put all new beams in, put all new floor joist in, put all new subfloor, new insulation. Nothing was insulated either. Wasn't any of this insulated. Church wanted the original altar put back, so we put that back. We built a new pulpit. This is the collars they went with. Nice transition. Turned out pretty good. This was about a 3-week project. A lot of work into this. The old subfloor was tongue and groove flooring, so it was really hard to get up. Found these bottles under the floor. It dated back to like the early 1900s, 1905, I think one of them was, to 1920. Pretty neat. But this is the end result. I think it turned out really good.